Hello, welcome to the video. Welcome to 2008 Nissan Pathfinder Adventure in metallic black finish with the 17-inch of Nissan alloy wheels. As you can see, it's got side steps, privacy glass on the roof rails. The vehicle also has got a reversing camera, which I'm gonna demonstrate it for you shortly. Then it's got a keyless entry and drive, and this is a 4-wheel 7-seater, by the way. I would like to show you the size. It's got a 12-volt power outlet in the boot as well. And then the jack is in there. Split 4 in rear seats, and it's got a luggage cover, which I took off for the video purposes, so it's gonna be easier to fold the seats. All 4 alloys are in good condition, and as you can see, they are matching the bodywork. I mean the exterior. It's got front forks and headlamp washers. Full leather interior in grey color with 7 headrests, and those are the rear 2 seats. It's got some cup holders on the sides, and over there it's got some storage department. Just gonna leave the camera for a second, and then it's got ice fix for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest, very good size of a leg room, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. And then over there it's got on the steering wheel, and on the sides, and on the side of the seat as well, over there. The finish of the doors, it's got some leather with stitches as well, over there. Some storage department down there, and speakers on the rear doors, and a child lock. So here we have the electric windows, and 40 mirrors are on the side over there, and the, as I mentioned, it's got keyless entry and drive. You don't need a key, it just can stay in your pocket. Then it's got twin electric seats with a memory driver side. It's got a manual transmission, a multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the right hand side and the voice commands on the left hand side. It's got auto headlights. Here in the middle it's got some cup holders and some storage department, a center armrest with some storage departments under it, and a 12-volt power outlet is in there as well. The wheel selection mode in there, 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. It's got the ESP traction control, the heated seats, a satellite navigation, reversing camera as I said before, AM/FM radio, and a CD changer which is in there. Just put the discs in there, as you can see in there, over there. And then it's got air conditioning with a doors on climate control, auto rear view dimming mirror, tilt and side sunroof, some storage department in there, and in the glove box you have the owner's manual. This was the video walk around of the 2008 Nissan Pathfinder Adventure. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.